Is the Bissell Bg10 quality or is it junk? So let's talk about the Bissell Bg10 carpet cleaning machine. Now this is all the dirt that came out of that carpet. Look at that. This machine is grossly underrated. I've said it before, but this is a phenomenal machine. You just need to know what you're doing with the chemicals. That is an important part. Now look at all the dirt that's getting sucked in through that pipe right there. So you can absolutely get professional results with this machine, but it's about the proper chemicals. For ink, we used a product called Ink Out by Unbelievable. It's a great product. It really gets that ink out of there. And it makes your job a lot easier as well. The other thing is by Unbelievable as well. It's a super enzyme cleaner. We love using this for pet stains. So like pet urine or anything like that. This is your go-to and it will help you. As you can see, this carpet has a lot of stains, so we needed that product. And this is the chemical that we love using. It delivers great results just for overall carpet cleaning. As you can see, you can definitely get really nice results with this machine. It's all about the proper chemistry and doing the proper passes. You don't want to rush the job. You got to focus on delivering quality. That is a key piece here. Another thing I love is the fact that it cleans forward and backwards. A lot of other machines don't. As you can see, night and day here. Big difference, so you can definitely get professional results. The last two things I want to say about this wonderful machine. One is there is very few moving parts, and that means you don't have to spend a ton of money on repair costs compared to some of these other fancy machines. Another thing is if you have a carpet cleaning that needs to be done on a 12th floor, let's say, this machine is compact and portable and will be no issue to bring up there and still deliver great results.